I am Professor L. K. Gabel, Department of Computer Science, Government GSG PG College, Balod. In this lecture is for MSc 4th semester Computer Science, subject Artificial Intelligence and Expert Systems, paper 2nd, unit 4th, planning. This is the first lecture. In this lecture, we have discussed about the block word problem and goal stack planning. What is the planning? Planning refers to the process of computing several steps of problem solving before executing any of them. Planning is a useful as a problem solving technique for non-decomposable problem. The planning in artificial intelligence is about the decision making task performed by the robot or computer program to achieve a specific goal. There are different components of planning system. First, choose the best rule to be applied. Second, apply the chosen rules to get new problem states. Third, detect when solution has been found. Detect dead end so that new decision are explored. How to choose the rule? First, isolate set of difference between the desired goal state and the current state. Then identify those rules that are relevant to reducing this difference. If more rules are found, then apply heuristic information to choose out of them. And how to apply that rules? That rules can be applied by specific problem states what would result from its applications. In the complex problem, we deal with rules that specify only a small part of the complete problem space. Next, discuss about what is the block word problem. Let us consider the famous problem named block word problem, which helps to understand the importance of planning in artificial intelligence systems. The block word environment has a square block of same size. Block can be stacked one upon another. Flat surface, that is a table on which block can be placed. Robot arm can be manipulate the block. It can hold only one block at a time. Block word planning problems. The block word problem is known as Sussman anomalies. Non-interleaved planner of the early 1970s were unable to solve this problem, hence it is considered as an anomalous. When two sub goals G1 and G2 are given, a non-interleaved planner produces either a plan for G1 concatenate with a plan G2 or vice versa. In block word problem, three blocks labeled as A, B, C are allowed to rest on the flat surface. The given condition is that only one block can be moved at a time to achieve the goal. The start state and goal state are shown in the following diagram. Here we can display the diagram. Here goal state have three blocks A, B, C, and starting state have two blocks. One block have A, C and other is a single B blocks. Now, what is the goal stack planning? The goal stacks planning is one of the most important planning algorithms which is specifically used for strips. The stacks is used in algorithms to hold the action and satisfy the goal. or knowledge based is used to hold the current state and actions. Goal stack is similar to a node in a search tree where the branches are created if there is a choice of an actions. This is a basically plan of goal stacks. The important steps how to goal stacks planning can be done. First, start by pushing the original goal on the stacks. Repeat this until the stacks become empty. If step top is a compound goal, then push its unsatisfied sub goal on the stacks. If stack top is a single unsatisfied goal, then replace it by an action and put the action's preconditions on the stack to satisfy the conditions. If stack top in action, pop it from the stack, execute it and change the knowledge base by effect of the actions. If stack top is a satisfied goal, pop it from the stacks. We can solve the block stack problem as follow. There are 4 operations can be performed by the robot. First is the unstack x comma y, that means pick up x from its current position on block y. The arm must be empty and x has no block on top of it. Stack x and y. Place block x on block y, arm must holding x and the top of y is clear. Pick up x from the table and hold it. Initially the arm must be empty and top of the x is clear. Put down x, put block x down on the table, the arm must have been holding block x. Along with the operations, some predicate to be used to describe an environment clearly. Those predicates are on x y, that means block x on block y, on t block x on table, CLX top of x is clear, holding x robot arm holding x, AE robot arm empty. So, we can illustrate this initial state and goal state with the following figure. Here we can see initial state. Initial state, arm is empty, clear block 2 have no top, that means clear. On table block 2 is in table, on table block 1 is also on table and clear block 1, that means block 1 have no top. That is the initial state. And what is the goal states? Goal states, arm is empty, on table block 2 is on table, on block 1 block 2, that means block 1 is on the block 2 and clear block 1 have no arm. So, we can illustrate this problem by step. So, we can tabulate the all the notations, actions and preconditions and that rules. In this diagram we can say that pickups precondition is a arm must be empty, x is on table and x have no top, that is a clear x. What action can be performed? Pickup means the arm can be hold x. If this precondition is satisfied, then holding action is performed, that means pick up. Put down, holding x. What is the actions? Arm empty, arm must be empty, on x on table and clear x. If arm can, how to arm can be holding? This action can be performed. Stack x y preconditions, holding x, clear y, that means y have no top. So, action is performed on x y, that means x is on the y, clear x, x has no top, arm must be empty, that action. Unstack, unstack means preconditions in figure 4th, x on x y, that means x is on the y, clear x means x have no top, arm is empty. This is a diagram can be display for solve the block stack problem in next slide. So, in next slide this is a problem and this is a goal stack. Our problem can be meet the goal stack, how to step can be performed. Problem stage is a and B is separately on the top on the table, arm is empty, and our goal stack is a is on B is on the table, A is on the B and arm is the empty. So, how many steps can be performed? The robot can be operate problem step to goal step. So, initially we can start from the goal stacks. So, what is the meaning of this diagram? This diagram means on A B, that means A and B is on the table. Then we put check the diagram problem step. Yes, if this problem is met to the goal stacks. So, no, because goal stack have on A B, that means block A and B is on the table, but in the problem step B, A and B is not the table and A is not the on the B. So, which action can be performed for this problem step to go goal stack? So, next action is the stack A B, that means we can put A on the B, that means we can solve the problem step to goal step. So, we can write here stack A B. So, what is the precondition of stack A or B? Precondition is the holding A and clear B. Holding A, that means arm can be hold A, before holding B have no top. So, in this problem we can see that B have no top, that means B is a clear. So, this satisfied, then we can cross the line holding A, but in this figure arm have empty, arm cannot be hold block A. So, we can pick up the A, before holding A what operation can be done? Pick up the A. So, what is the precondition of pick up the A? R must be empty, yes, on A table, A block can be top on the table, clear A. So, in this figure we can say that clear A, yes, clear A, clear have no top, that means this done. On table, yes, A is on table, that is also clear. Arm is empty, yes, arm is empty, that means we can perform pick up the A block can be picked up, we can show that this operation is performed, that means that is a one number, or one can be we can say see here arm is pick up A block. So, again then we can, if arm is become, that means this hold condition is satisfied, holding A, that means pick up the A, that means hold A. So, if arm is holding A, that means stack A and B is performed. So, second equation, that means we can say that this problem state is exactly as a goal stack. So, we can solve the block stack problem through goal stack algorithms. It is clear. Now, we can define what is the nonlinear planning. This planning is used to set a goal stack and is included in the search space of all possible sub goal ordering. It handles the goal interaction by interleaving method, that is called non-linear planning. Basic difference is the search space is included in goal stack planning. So, this is called non-linear planning and goal stack is called linear planning. Advantage of non-linear planning: non-linear planning may be an optimal solutions with respect to the plane length depending on the search strategy used. Disadvantage of the non-linear planning: it is a take larger search space since all possible goal ordering are taken into considerations. And second disadvantage is the complex algorithms to understand. What is the non-linear planning algorithm? You can derive here step by step. First, choose a goal G from the goal stack. If G does not match the state, then choose an operator O whose at least match goal G. Push O on the up stack, add the precondition of O to the goal stack, and third step, while all preconditions of operators on top of up stack are met in state, then pop operator O from top of operator stacks, state equal to apply operator comma stack, and plan equal to plan 0. Thank you.